Hey guys, welcome back to another video brought to you by me, B. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing some deep carpet cleaning and also a little bit of quick cleaning in my kitchen. I usually start off in my kitchen because that's the first area that I see when I come out of my room. Most of the time I will get up and make up my bed, but when I come out and I see the kitchen like that, I just have to go ahead and get it done and get it out the way. So I'll be cleaning the kitchen in this video. Also, I'll have a little bit of laundry motivation, and I'm going to straighten up the living room, which this time it really wasn't all that bad. So hopefully you all enjoy.
It's lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here. Moonlight on your naked skin, summer's blind us to giving. Where you wanna go, where you wanna go. Stars align onto your face, pretty sweet your sour taste. Make me sing along, sing along. I ain't never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I ain't never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here. Sharing all your deepest dreams, wonder what they really mean, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Write down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here. We got
So if you all made it this far into the video, I want to say thank you. And also don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also share my channel with your friends, and to hit the notification bell. I also have a Instagram, finally. I'm going to link it onto the video, and you all can check that out. I haven't really put anything up there because I'm not the one managing it. My daughter is the one doing that, so because I don't know how to do that. But anyway, I got the kitchen all the way clean, and now you see the living room, which really wasn't that bad on this day. Xavier just had a lot of toys and stuff everywhere, and it took me literally maybe 10 minutes to clean up his little mess. And then you all will see me tackle this laundry that I had. It was about, I want to say 2 to 3 loads that stayed on that sofa for about 2 to 3 days. I just didn't feel like messing with that.
I'm a little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. You're a little bit crazy, it's been days but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. You're a little bit selfish. You get mad every time you lose. You can't take me with you. I'm scared you're gonna blow your fuse. Come a little bit closer, yeah. I can really start over, yeah. In the back of my mind, there's someone waiting on me. You're just wasting my time because you're scared and lonely. Finally got some closure, yeah. I can finally start over, yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Here's to the memories. Cheers to who used to be. Your friend said that you left me. I'm glad that's what you believe. So all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Oh, bye-bye, bye-bye. U-G-L-I, that's how you spell goodbye. U-G-L-I, you'll never see me cry. U-G-L-I, that's how you spell it. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. I'm a little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. You're a little bit crazy. It's been days but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. You're a little bit selfish. You get mad every time you lose.
So I got this new carpet cleaner, and I'm just gonna do this part, and I don't know if I'm gonna get a chance to do these stairs, but I'm definitely gonna do this again. Y'all know I just did this last month, but of course I put mats down and everything, and you can still see how it's just dirty. But I think I planned on taking this up and getting some of that vinyl floor, since it's such a small space. It's not, you see that it's not that big of a space, but and if I put the vinyl floor on it, it'll stop all this dirt from tracking up the stairs, and then all I would have to worry about is cleaning this part. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna see how this carpet cleaner does, because it's costs more, so it should work a little bit better anyway.
We got everything, everything. Na, 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 na. We got everything, everything. Moonlight on your naked skin. Summer's blind us to giving. Where you wanna go, where you wanna go. Stars align under your watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here. Write down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here.
I really didn't even do like no hellified going back and forth, and this thing clean so good, and it is so much heavier than my other cleaner. If you can see, can y'all see all that dirt? And y'all know I just did this like 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago. Yep. Do y'all see that? That is ridiculous. Look at this. Oh my God. Really? All right, so after I got done with the living room, that little portion in the living room, I came on down to this foyer right in the entryway. So of course, before you get to cleaning the carpet, it's better to vacuum really good so that it doesn't clog up your carpet cleaner. And I definitely didn't want to clog up my new carpet cleaner. But when I tell y'all that carpet cleaner works really, really good, that carpet cleaner is worth all the money that you spend on it. I actually got this for a good deal. I purchased mine at a flea market. I know most of the time, but it was brand new in the box and it had the wrappers and everything on it. But most of the time, I think this carpet cleaner goes for about $200. I only spent $60 on mine, so I don't spend like full price for it, stuff like that. And especially because it was brand new in the box, that's what prompted me to go ahead and get it, because I knew that it worked good, but I did not know that it worked that good. If you all were here and you could actually see how good the carpet cleaned, I wish Xavier would stop banging on this table. Sorry, y'all. But anyway, if you all were here and could see how good it cleaned this carpet, and like I said, I had cleaned that portion of the carpet a month ago, so it should not have been that bad. But this carpet cleaner is no joke, and I would recommend it to anyone. And you don't really get all exhausted. It's easy to fill up the tank. It's easy to empty the tank. It's not all that difficult. And they send you like this little latch thing that you can reach in, and if you do have hair and stuff in there, you can reach in and get it out easy. And it's like no problem. But yeah, y'all go ahead and just, I'm telling you, get that carpet cleaner and use it, and then you'll see what I'm talking about.
Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.
So y'all saw it at first. I gotta go over it a little bit more, and I gotta clean these baseboards, but I didn't get right here because I had ran out of solution. But it really is just like vacuuming. It's not, and at first I didn't know that. I didn't read the instructions, y'all know. But I put it on max clean for down here. At first it was on deep clean when I did upstairs, and then it got clean express, but max clean, so it got rid of the solution quicker. And then you can see it's super dirty, so you can see that it is picking up stuff. And I vacuumed it beforehand, and it still picked up that stuff. So this is a really good carpet cleaner, y'all. I really do like it. So you just make your carpet just look The lighting in here is messed up because we don't have a picture up here. We took it down, but right here in the walkway, but if you can just see it, it is crazy how clean that looks. Mine is that ugly baseboard.
You get mad every time you lose. You can't take me with you. I'm scared you're gonna blow your fuse. Come a little bit closer. Yeah, I can really start over. Yeah, in the back of my mind, there's someone waiting on me. You're just wasting my time because you're scared and lonely. Finally got some closure. Yeah, I can finally start over. Yeah. So all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly. I'm too fly. Bye-bye. 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 Here's to the memories. Cheers to who used to be. Your friend said that you left me. I'm glad that's what you believe. So all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly. I'm too fly. Oh, bye-bye, bye-bye. U-G-L-I, that's how you spell goodbye. U-G-L-I, you'll never see me cry. U-G-L-I, that's how you spell it. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need's right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you.
So that is after 2 passes with the carpet clean. Look like we just laid this carpet, y'all. It is so clean, so clean. And I'm gonna link down, well not link, I'm gonna put what I used in the carpet cleaner, because I don't use carpet cleaner solution when I clean my carpet. I use that Oxy powder, also Lysol. I use the Lysol concentrate, and awesome. So if y'all want a good carpet cleaning solution and it makes your house smell so clean, it's the Lysol concentrate that's in the old school bottle that makes it smell like, as my kids say, it smell like a hospital. But it disinfects and deodorizes. So you know that you need that with all these people coming in and out, in and out, in and out. And I'm gonna try and get these stairs. But it's super clean though.